Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about one of the best AI-powered studying applications right now. It's called StudyPotion AI. StudyPotion is designed to save you hours of prep time by turning your class notes into ready-to-use study materials instantly. All you have to do is upload your notes and the AI takes over from there. It automatically generates flashcards, summaries, and quizzes tailored to your content. That means no more manually highlighting or making index cards. The application does the hard work for you. What makes it stand out is how accurate and organized the results are. You can focus on understanding concepts instead of wasting time figuring out how to study. Plus, everything is stored in one clean, easy-to-use dashboard. You can revisit your materials anytime, test yourself with auto-generated quizzes, and even track your progress, whether you're cramming for finals or prepping throughout the semester. StudyPotion AI makes studying faster, smarter, and way less stressful. Give it a try if you're ready to level up your learning routine. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your favorite study tools below. I'll meet you in the next video.